Hello and welcome to a lovely day in Wicklow. Over the last couple of months I've been doing a lot of online courses in video production, so today is going to be very much directed. Not scripted, but directed. So what I've gone and done today is I've gone and set up the Cali sluice box just behind me here. Okay, so you can see the sluice box is running perfectly fine there. So see here, there's a lot of bedrock here, and what we're doing is basically taking a shovel, washing all the gravel that's sitting on top of the bedrock down into this hole, and sucking through that gravel into a bucket, half-inch screen it, and feed it straight to the sluice. As we follow the bedrock down, that's where we're going to find the best gold. Okay, so now we have a plan. We're just simply going to fill buckets, feed the sluice box. I'll try and make it a little bit more entertaining than that, because that sounds really boring. Only one thing left for it. Let's go find the shiny. I've had to put the fly net on because this time of year the flies are out in force. What we're going to do now is take a trip underwater. Okay, you can see the bedrock right there. That should be fairly obvious. And there's a big chunk of it that I seem to have taken off the shovel. The question is, how far back does that shelf go? I'm going to put you on the head mount in a second and we're going to go feed the sluice box. Okay, so here we have our half bucket. Love that sound. But this sluice, everything gets fast and then slows right down here. Yeah, I call that working, and it's only half-inch anyway, which is nice. It's the largest classification I have. I'm not going to fully empty the bucket because I just said that because I want to do a sample pan of it. Sweet. Let's have a quick look and see is there anything in the box. I see something yellow. You see something very nice and yellow. Oh, that looks like gold. Oh, that looks like gold. All right, look at that. All the cells are dancing. The little riffle packs are dancing. See they were dancing there? Let's go down and pan this. I found a lovely spot the last day down here where the water runs fast. There's a little panning pool here. I always tell people this, rinse out the pan thoroughly. That's nice. I always call that beans. Looks like a can of beans. You open a can of beans and you rinse it out under the sink. And that's what you get. That colour. There we go. Not a whole lot of material to work down. I say it's not sluice cones or anything, it's just the bottom of the bucket. Okay, let's have a look. The bottom of the bucket. Oh, we got gold! Oh, you beauty! Do you need me to take the camera off my head for that one? Look at that. There's my finger for scale. Now, isn't it ideal that today is the day I forgot my snuffer bottle? So I'm going to go upstream and see if I can find that little bucket. So good news, I found my little blue bucket upstream. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the gold in there with the dirt and take the dirt home with me. I have a nice little rock in there. I'll pop it in here. No, the gold's not in there. Great, so we now know the gold's in the bucket. Happy days. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to filling buckets. Oh, this has turned into a pretty good day. Okay, so you can always tell if I found gold by the reaction. So I was just about to do the pan the bottom of the bucket just to see if we're still on the gold. And as I was just going to get the camera ready, I came back over the sluice box and I can see gold sitting on the mat. Get in! Look at that! Glistens in the dirt. Glistens in the light. Oh yes, we have gold. Happy days. Okay, so here's a quick lesson. Don't be a beep and dig into the bank. See that? Somebody went and undercut the bank really hard with a shovel or a pick or something. doing now is running the rest of this bucket and then I'll run the other one over there. Okay, so we're just about to do the clean out of the sluice box. It's looking pretty nice there. I am going to give you a quick shot of what's in the box at the minute. I can see a nice piece of gold there. I can see a few reflective pieces down here. Any of the bits that were here earlier on have moved on down and are right along here. Lift up the Cali, put it into the bucket first. That's the most important thing. Lift up. So this will be a good indicator. So I say we ran 2.5 buckets total. We'll mix everything together. Again, we want a nice calm spot of the river. This is about as calm as you're going to get. We're on this adventure together. Let's have a look. So you can see the material at the back is nice and dark. That's a good sign. This is probably the last stratification. So I'm just bringing the water up to the front riffle. So let's have a look and see what we have today. Again, we only ran 2.5 buckets. And let's see how we get on. We saw gold in the mat. Oh! I was not expecting that. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a nice one down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sorry. Okay, so all of that came out of this raised bedrock. Yeah, so nice gold out of that, and well, it's 7 pieces of gold. We ran 2.5 buckets. The only issue, the only restriction was that when I ran the big bucket, I timed it. I hit my stopwatch and checked how long it took me. It took me 9.5 minutes to run through the full bucket. Maybe if I had the sluice a little bit higher and I wasn't have to bend down as much, I'll have to work on that. I think what I need to do is just get Terry and Jerry up here. In the next couple of weeks, I'm going to build a wooden sluice box for Terry and Jerry to work with, and then I'll get those lads up here, because Terry and Jerry, they were good fun. They also get through a lot of ground. I hope you've enjoyed today's video of stream sampling for the Cali sluice box. If you like this video, chances are you like the videos I previously posted and the ones we post in the future. Don't forget the subscribe button, and sure, catch the next one. We can all go find more shiny. Have a nice day. Bye bye.